What's going on, boys and girls? Today we're going to be making a dump soup. What I mean by a dump soup, it's a soup where you pretty much can dump anything in it that you need to dump. We're going to try to keep this video short, so here we go. All right, y'all, this is actually a soup that's not going to have any tomatoes in it. So we got mushrooms, Italian salad dressing, bell peppers, white corn, black eyed peas, seasoned butter beans, squash, green beans, green peas, onion, lemon juice, garlic, some seasoning salt. What is this back here? This is some chives. We got some cumin, we got some mustard powder, got some paprika, some vegetable broth, some apple cider vinegar, and some lemon juice. We're gonna put this baby together and start cooking. Oh, you saw the potatoes. Did I say we had potatoes up there? Those are some Yukon Gold potatoes. First of all, we're gonna throw some oil in a fairly big stock pot. We're doing a rough chop of the onions and of the bell peppers. They're gonna go in first. All right, go ahead and put your heaping tablespoon of garlic in there. And we're basically gonna cook this for about 3 minutes or so until they're nice and glistening. After you start seeing that liquid in there, throw you a couple of bay leaves in there to pull out that flavor. And you can smell it right now. All right, now here comes the dumping part. We're gonna dump some of that corn in here. This is Shoup-head corn. We're gonna dump some of these seasoned butter beans in there. This is by Margaret Holmes. These are delicious, y'all. We're gonna dump some black eyed peas in there. Oh yeah, that's gonna be super good. We're gonna dump some portobello mushrooms in there, and yes, they have been washed, y'all. I know how to cook. We chopped up the squash. Gonna dump the squash in there as well. We're gonna dump about a cup of frozen green peas. If you got regular green peas, you can put those in there as well. Gonna cut up our Yukon Golds, dump them in there. Then we're gonna dump our cut green beans. Some of those were whole, so I cut them. We're gonna put those in there. Go ahead and throw that cream of mushroom soup on top. Now we're gonna add about a teaspoon of our seasoning salt, 2 teaspoons of our mustard, teaspoon of our paprika, teaspoon of our chives, and about a half a teaspoon of our ground cumin. Gonna put it in that Italian salad dressing mix. That's why you gotta be careful with the amount of salt you put in there, guys, because when we put the vegetable broth, that's gonna have salt in it. The seasoning salt also has salt in it, so you just gotta be real careful. We're gonna add in about a tablespoonful of lemon juice. About a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. That's gonna give it a lot of flavor, y'all. Then we got to stir this baby up. One more thing to go in there. Now we're gonna put 1 or 2 containers of this vegetable broth in there. We'll see how it comes up. You may not have to use 2 of them, but be prepared. Now the good thing about some of the vegetables I'm using is that a lot of them will release a lot of their sweetness to it. So it may help to overcome the amount of sodium or salt that we have in there. So we're gonna bring this to a boil, and we're gonna have to boil this until the potatoes are done. Thankfully, the Yukon Gold potatoes, they cook pretty quickly, you know. So we're gonna cook this until it's done. Usually it's gonna take about 30 to 45 minutes. All right, y'all, I let that soup cook for about 45 minutes, and then I turned it off and I went back to work. And this pot holds the heat so well that it was cooked when I got back home. And I can tell you now, my wife's already eaten a bowl of it. She says it is delicious. I've tasted it. It's not too salty. Didn't have to add anything to it. You guys, if you want to make a soup that doesn't have any tomatoes in it, or you just want to make a good soup, follow this recipe. You guys like, share, comment on the video. Y'all have a great day. This is going to be good on some of those cold, wintry nights and mornings and whatever. Y'all just have a great day. Peace.